Oh hey, E here, Easy Penny Shopping, and a lot of you have asked me what happened to my longer videos. You want to see me digging in the store more, that it was more helpful. So I went ahead, I did not edit out as much, and let me know. Hope you enjoy. Stay to the end, it's a good one. Oh hey, so happy 4th of July. This probably won't go out today, so I hope you had a happy and safe 4th of July. I'm actually coming to check this store out because it was the only one I checked ahead of time, but they were pulling brown dot. Then when I went back through, there were some pretty noticeable brown dot items left that I did buy at 90% because I have learned this new manager will actually pull pennies she wants. Okay, so the first stuff was rugs. So let's see if they're still there. Doesn't look like it. So, is it another penny shopper? Oh, but wait. I was like, wait, is that? Yes, it is. You forgot where you hid one. So yeah, because oh, there's another one. Like there was a salt lamp like all the way in the back here that I saw from the other side. It just, I don't know, the placement of the items seemed a little fishy to me, and especially after they were pulling. Like there were two big character pillows still on the shelf. Like, I don't know, it just didn't add up to me. So I'm like, I'm just gonna, and I even have the recon video. I didn't even have these in the recon video. So I don't know if I didn't see them. I don't know if they got moved later. But anyways, I thought I'm gonna go back to this store just to see if the pennies disappeared. But it could be another penny shopper that's stashing. I mean, you get used to it. People stashing, that's for sure. Oh, snap. Okay, so I am gonna get lucky. But first off, no, I didn't find any more plates, but I did clean up. I swear, yeah, every store, I tell you what, it's just like chaos. Anyways, I was moving these clocks because they're in the freaking way. Because I'm going through all these boxes, okay? So, this is something that, again, seriously, people, I just cleaned all these clocks up the last time I was in here. I swear, people just can't. They just can't. Okay, so this is something that, you know, these boxed shelves and stuff, they have core ones that are full price all year long. Like they stay on the shelf all year long. But then they also come out with them for different seasonal things. We usually have red dot ones and brown dot ones. So you are looking for the ones that have the actual brown dot. But, oh shoot, I don't even know where I saw them now. I saw a brown dot somewhere. Oh no. No way. I didn't know. Oh heck. This is not the one I saw. I didn't know they came back out with these for brown dot. These were red dot. Heck to the yeah. I saw that one, didn't think anything of it. Oh, well, guess we better just keep on digging. And it's hard to keep up with the different ones because they come out with so many of them. and for different seasons, and they keep them on the main shelf too. Oh boy, she's not gonna be happy. Oh, she's not gonna be happy. But I know I saw a brown dot somewhere else. That's not the one, it was a smaller one. Trying to get these freaking clocks back so you can actually walk through the aisle. Sorry. See that? Come on. I just saw the dog grab the phone. I was hoping that was, but it's okay. Now we're on a roll. Now I see it. Like, where did I see it? There it is. Because this is one, I found a couple of them yesterday, or I'm sorry, on Tuesday. It's Thursday. But clearly, oh my God, I'm wanting to check those over there. I didn't mean to cause an avalanche. It's Thursday, but clearly I still don't know what day it is after vacation. You know. That takes recovery time. Holy crap, I didn't even know they had those big ones. That's fantastic. I do need to scan though, because I don't, yeah, all the other ones have fell in finally. A lot of times they're excluded, so it should fall in, but just in case. I think all these are core. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Oh my gosh. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Ooh, I see more brown dot. Hold up. Oh, heck. Oh my gosh, they're stuck. I can't even get them out. Well, no wonder nobody got them. Come here, you can do it. Holy cannoli. Oh my gosh. I don't even know. Like, I want to put my recon video in here because I didn't even go through all this stuff. I would have even came here first if I would have known this stuff was here. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. There's all 4 of them. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Okay. Come here. Come here. I think these are all core. But yes, I still go through and check all of them because there's so many that look alike. And clearly, I didn't recon this store very well. Now did I? Because the first store I went to, I think I got like 5 pennies. I would have came here first. Holy sh! Jesus, saw another one. I figured these would mix in, because again, they don't look seasonal at all. Okay, I'm gonna move some clocks. Move some of the tiki-takas and see what, some baskets. See if anybody decided to do some stashing around here, but if they stashed those shelves, they missed them. But I bet that's how they got stocked. And as you can see, I have everything back on the shelves, but they don't have time. There's not enough time for them to do this. But look. This was on the floor. I was grabbing it to put in there. Somebody stashed purple dot and brown dot magnets. So when I find stuff stashed in baskets and stuff, oh yeah, I put it right out front. I don't hide the seasonal. No, no. If I find it, I put it front and center. So, looks like we got a few magnets. I'm gonna make all this fit on the dang shelf if it kills me. Okay, so final score at the only store I reconned, and decided not to come because I didn't think it had anything good, and I got all the good stuff at 90% off. Oh well, happy surprises. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 76, 78, $78. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 cents.